In this video, we are going to explore the spirit of turmeric and how it dismantles our doomsday thinking. My name is Desiree Mangendog, your acupuncturist, herbalist, and essential oil expert, and I specialize in the area of emotional release work and moving energetic stagnation. If you love this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Well, turmeric here is a very powerful essential oil. It affects the liver, the gallbladder, the spleen. It's warm in nature and it moves liver qi. It's just a powerful qi mover in general, especially when there's pain. When there's blockages and pain in the meridians, it expels wind, it moves blood stasis. This is a mover and a shaker. And especially when we are haunted by projecting into the future, because the liver is about giving a vision of our future and giving us hope for the development and, the realization, the manifestation of a dream, a goal, a vision. And so when our liver is clouded by a projection of failure, a projection of destruction, a projection of the future that it's just all gonna fall apart and things are not gonna actually work out and it's not gonna go well. And we can't seem to move past that view as well as that feeling. That's where turmeric comes in. There's this line, hope for the best and expect the worst. That's not really an empowering statement because that gives very weak qi for the best and very strong qi for the worst, if you think about it. So what I like about turmeric is that turmeric turns it around. Turmeric's statement would be actually expect the best or demand the best. Okay, it demands the best. And it rejects the worst. It just rejects it. So we can achieve this by applying turmeric on a very important acupuncture point. It is liver 14. It is known as the gate of hope. And it lifts the gate, okay, and removes that darkness, the negative doomsday future projection that everything is going to not work out and everything is going to fall apart. Instead, open up the door to the expectation, okay, that standard here, that expectation and standard that it's going to come together in a beautiful, divine, perfect way, and it is going to work out for the best. So let me teach you where liver 14 is. Liver 14 lands below the breast. So gentlemen, you're gonna imagine an imaginary bra line, but women, it's pretty much where a bra line is, like where a wire would land. And you are gonna go underneath the breast, and it is in between these two ribs, but it's directly below the nipple. So directly below the nipple line, but under the breast where a wire would land, a bra wire would land, and it's in between those two ribs. It's a bit tender, and you just put that turmeric right there. And it is going to blast through this expectation that it's not gonna work out, or I'm gonna end up destitute on the streets. whatever it is, right? Whatever your scariest fear being fully realized, that's the thing that turmeric is gonna blast out of your system. Because like I said, it moves the stagnation, the stasis in the meridians in no matter where it's landing, because liver qi, what it does is it's responsible for smooth flow of qi in all of the organs and meridians. It's known as the general of qi. So whether that stasis is located in your spleen meridian or your kidney meridian or your lung meridian, liver is there to take care of it and unblock that stasis and expel that wind of destruction. So enjoy turmeric right there, okay? Under the nipple line, under like where a bra wire would be, between two ribs, under the breast tissue, and there you have it at the gate of hope. Comment below with what your doomsday outlook, your doomsday thinking is. What's your biggest fear that is just kind of like humming in the background? You're constantly concerned about it coming true. What is it? What is it? Go ahead and share with us below. And if you love this content, please do like this video and subscribe and share with your friends so that they can get these very valuable tips and tricks, especially if they're an essential oil user. And also below, you can click on a link to get my 3 most popular blends from my I Am Fabulous book. And I have a few books: I Am Fabulous, I Am Worthy, I Am Magnetic, and the new one coming, Elements of Emotion, where I go through all of the 60 plus single essential oils and the psycho-spiritual aspect of every single essential oil with 60 plus new blends. So I'll put a link down there below too so that you can get your pre-order in, and they will be shipping around September, beginning of September of 2021. I recommend a couple of other videos. There's the Spirit of Lemongrass as well as the Spirit of Niuli to help you to move into these higher frequencies and release those fears that just cause so much blockage in your energy field. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.